So put your hands together, inviting Mr. Hanuman sir. Please come on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to sincerely thank to Rahul sir for giving this wonderful opportunity. Today, I want to share something very personal with you. Not my success, not my achievements, but my mistakes. Because sometimes our mistakes teach us more than our victories. Let me begin my story. My journey began with a dream. I dreamed of becoming an IAS officer. I had the ability and confidence to achieve my goal, but only one thing pushed me back, that is weak mindset. I did not control my mind, I did not control my feelings, I did not control my emotions. So I could not achieve my goal yet. Dear friends, listen to me carefully. We can control the all world, but when we can control our own mind, because controlling mind is very difficult task. What I experienced, I could not achieve my goal yet. I understood something very important during my journey. Success depends on two most important things, that is discipline and consistency. But discipline comes from the consistency, consistency comes from the strong mindset. I failed to maintain discipline and consistency because of weak mindset. I was afraid of losing relationships, afraid of hurting people, afraid of letting go of those who distracted my mind and my focus. Because of that fear, I could not control my feelings. I could not sacrifice those things which distracted me. I did not take a right decision at the right time, so I could not sacrifice my those things who distracted me, because I wasted my time. Instead of running through my goal, I ran behind the temporary pleasures. Because of that, I lost my golden days. That realization hurts me very deeply, because time never comes back. Dear friends, listen to me carefully. Even all of this, I did not lose my hope, I did not lose my confidence, because inside me there is still a power that reminds me that failure is not the end. So I stand here not as a finished success, but as a conscious learner. Now I know that if I achieve my goal, if I want to achieve my goal, I must conquer myself. And this time, I I will not run behind the distractions. I will not fear sacrifice, because I believe, just like Swami Vivekananda said, that there is one power within us strong enough to change your destiny. So I still have a belief. I still have a belief on my goal. So I could not achieve my goal yet, but I will, because
Nice.
now I am awake. So, dear friends, kindly I request all of you, don't do these things what I what I done in my journey. So control your feelings, control your emotions, control your mind, be strong, be confident, achieve your goal, and lead your life gratefully. Thank you for your time and patience. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing your wonderful story.